I've been avoiding this. I am a strong woman who lives by myself, and I can do this. I can do this by myself. Half of the battle is mental. I can do it. Oh, I really don't feel like it, but I should. Okay, you're like, what is she talking about?
Hi there. If you're new here, my name is Gail, and I have just moved into this apartment. It's been about 3 months now, and I've just been slowly decorating it and making design choices throughout my 1-bedroom New York City apartment. And in this video, I've finally decided to switch my credenza from being in my bedroom to putting it in the living room and moving this 4-cubby cubicle that I've had for a long time. I finally mustered up the energy to do so.
It's pretty heavy. Oh, here we go.
Don't get me wrong, I love living by myself and I feel so lucky that I'm able to do so and to afford to do so. But I gotta say, sometimes it would be helpful to have another set of arms.
Someone is very horn friendly right now. Phase 2, credenza. This is definitely gonna be the more challenging part. All right. We are moving this into there.
I've lived in New York now for 7 years, and it's been a bit over 2 years now of me living in my own apartment without any roommates and without any partners. And I will say it is so freeing in so many ways to have my own schedule, to decorate how I want to decorate, to sleep in when I want to sleep in, to watch the movies that I want to watch, to listen to the music that I want to listen to. There are so many freedoms about it, but I am a social person and I do love hosting people, but I also love going out and, utilizing the city and everything that it has to offer. But I will say that this is one of the challenges of choosing to live by yourself. Having to do all of the apartment renovations, having to do all of the apartment cleaning and install, and also just paying, rent by yourself. It really adds up. But I'm a firm believer that the benefits outweigh the cons. Eventually I would hope to live with my eventual partner, wherever he is. But for now, I have full faith in my own ability. And if you are on the fence, all you have to do is believe in yourself, take that leap, and just realize that you'll figure it out. Sure that you are a smart, capable individual, and all we need is a little encouragement and a little self-motivation. Although it is definitely easier said than done, I have been staring at these pieces of furniture for what feels like weeks. Maybe it's only been 2 weeks, but time moves differently when you live in your own place. So take the time that you need. For me, this took longer than I care to admit, but hey, I finally got around to it. And you can too. Whatever you've been avoiding, take this as your initiative to stop avoiding it and just get it done.
Just me and my massive monitor. A love story. This might look silly, but where else am I going to put it right now? Yeah, this looks this is temporary. Yeah, this looks really bad. For now, we will keep it here. I guess I'm gonna sell it. But Okay. Cool.
Good morning. Man, you know when you're just like tired and you are having a really slow start to your day, but it's so beautiful outside. It's like making me feel bad. I was out till 4:30 in the morning last night. I went to bed at 5 and I woke up at like 10:30. So I got like 5.5 hours of sleep. And now it's almost noon. I've had some breakfast and my apartment is a hot mess. I hope you're having a good. How's your day going? Did you go out till 4:30 in the morning? It was a lot of fun though. My friend, he played in a band. Well, his band played, and then we went out and yeah, then all of a sudden it was 4:30. I don't have any plans today. It's Saturday, so I'm just going to organize some of the mess that we've created, or that I've created since moving the furniture. So hopefully we can have some semblance of order at the end of this. Let's get going. Nothing cures a late night like a couple of good bubbles. Believe me. So yeah, I just spent a little time putting away my miscellaneous items, including this fun jewel and some canvases, some of my arts and crafts. And then I decided to fold my bed because that gives me the mental freedom to tackle other tasks. I've made some good progress. It's about 3 o'clock, still Saturday, still running on 5 hours of sleep. And this is my green outfit. I think I've waited long enough. I think I'm just gonna go for it. Ooh, I'm nervous. Okay, we're doing it. I don't have a step ladder, but I have this, which I tested, and it does make me tall enough to reach the ceiling. So I'm gonna use this. Okay, so let's see. So the lamp came with these 2 hooks. It does make me nervous thinking that all the weight is going to be on this tiny little hook. What I do have instead, I have these white hooks that I used in my previous apartment that I saved just in case if I needed it again. There's 3 ways of securing this hook. So it'll just give me peace of mind knowing that this can hold more weight. So I just have to find corresponding screws and figure out what is centered. It's gonna look so good. Option 1, option 2. We got this. I would recommend having a stepladder, having a laser pointer, having another set of eyes, and having a spotter while you do this, if you do this at home. I'm feeling motivated to get this done. Feeling it, and I'm feeling it right now. So I'm gonna ride this momentum and get this baby installed. Okay, but be careful if you're doing this. We're good. feel good. I think we made some really great progress. I think it's time for me to go outside and get some fresh air. If you like this video and if you had a good time with me, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, comment below, let me know what your favorite part was, and like this video. All of that engagement really helps YouTube recognize my channel, and then in doing so pushes it out to other awesome people such as yourself. I think I'm gonna go. Have a great day and drink some water, get some rest, take care of yourself. It's a crazy world out there. Okay, love you guys. Bye.